Hello student, how are you? In previous video you get the knowledge of power and function of parliament, structure of Lok Sabha, structure of Rajya Sabha, and you also got the knowledge of how the President of India elected. Now we move to the next topic, and in this video you get the knowledge of three topics: impeachment of President, power and function of President, and emergency power of President. Impeachment means how can President remove from his post. In India, for removing President, we follow the process, or this motion is known as impeachment motion. So this motion, President remove from his office. According to Article 61, if President break the Indian Constitution and breaches the Indian Constitution, then Parliament present impeachment motion against the President. Therefore, several steps of impeachment motion. Firstly, impeachment motion presented any house of Indian Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. To present impeachment motion in any house of Parliament, it required signature of 1/4 member. And respective house discuss on this motion at 14 days, and this motion approved by 2/3 majority, then sent to the next house. Next house have right to examine the charges mentioned on President, and it can also form committee. If next house accept the motion by 2/3 majority, then President removed from his office. Again we discuss the major point of impeachment motion. This is the process. With the help of this process, we can remove President of his office. Impeachment motion is a motion which is used to against the President. According to Article 61 of Indian Constitution, if President breaches or breaks the Indian Constitution, he can remove from his office. Impeachment motion can present any house of Indian Parliament. To present impeachment motion in house, it requires the signature of 1/4 member. Respective house discussed for 14 days. If respective house approved this motion by 2/3 majority, then motion sent to the next house. Next house have right to accept the motion by 2/3 majority, then President removed from his office. Student, our next topic is power and function of President. President have many power: executive power, legislative power, financial power, judicial power, and emergency power. In executive power, you have power of appointment power, governance power, foreign power, and military power. In legislative power, power related to the legislature, nominate power, motions power, and ordinance power. And financial and judicial and emergency power. Now we discuss the first power of President is executive power of President, and the first executive power of President is appointment. President can appoint the Prime Minister of India, member of Council of Ministers, judges of Supreme Court, judges of High Court, and chairman and members of UPSC, governor of states, Auditor General of India, and chief of the armed force. Governance power means President has power to make law related from the following subject. He can form a law subject joint session of Parliament, appointment of important officers, staff of Supreme Court, and power related with Auditor General of India. It is known as the CA as a CA. And foreign power, he appoints foreign ambassador and diplomatic, and also sign foreign treaties, agreement, and pacts. And military power, he acts as a supreme commander of 3 armed forces. Again we discuss the executive power of President. First is appointment power. President appoints Prime Minister, member of Council of Ministers, judges of Supreme Court, judges of High Court, and members and chairman of UPSC and governor of state. Governance power, he form law subject to the joint session of Parliament, appointment of important officers, staff of Supreme Court, and power related with the Auditor General. In foreign power, he appoint diplomatic and ambassador for foreign country and sign foreign treaties, agreement, and pact. Military power, he acts as a supreme commander of 3 armed force. Or this question already mentioned in 2020 board examinations. Next power of President is legislative power. This question also already mentioned in 2024 paper. He called and postponed the session of Parliament. He dissolved Lok Sabha before its term. He addressed the joint session of Parliament after every general elections. He declared common policies of government. He nominated 12 members for Rajya Sabha and 2 members for Lok Sabha. He accept and reject the motion or bill presented by Parliament, and he can issue ordinance. Ordinance means Raja ki Agya, but the validity of this ordinance is only 6 weeks or 6 months. Again we discuss the main legislative power of President. He called and postponed the session of Parliament. He dissolved Lok Sabha before its term on the advice of PM. He addressed the joint session of Parliament, declared the common policy of government, nominated 12 members for Rajya Sabha and 2 members for Lok Sabha. He accept and reject the motion, or he can issue ordinance. Now the financial power of President. He present account of particular year in the Parliament. He all money bill, finance bill, financial budget and demand from grant required the prior permission of President. Judicial power, President have only judicial power, pardon, reduced and suspended the punishment of offender. पर प्रेसिडेंट को ही अधिकार है कि वो किसी की भी व्यक्ति की फांसी की सजा को माफ कर सकता है, इसलिए बाद में प्रेसिडेंट की पोस्ट को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल हेड कहा गया है. पार्डन माफ करना, रिड्यूस कम करना, सस्पेंडेड स्थगित करना, और पनिशमेंट ऑफ ऑफेंडर. ऑफेंडर का मतलब होता है कन्विक्टेड एक अपराधी. ठीक है. ही टेक एडवाइस फ्रॉम द सुप्रीम कोर्ट फॉर मैटर रिलेटेड विद द लॉ और अ मैटर रिलेटेड विद द पब्लिक इंपॉर्टेंस. अपॉइंटमेंट एंड ट्रांसफर द जजेस ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड हाई कोर्ट. Student, next power of president is emergency of power of president. During the emergency, president have many powers, but president can declare 3 type of emergency: national emergency, state emergency, and financial emergency. In India, national emergency declare on the 3 bases: danger of war, युद्ध की संभावना के आधार पर; एक्सटर्नल इन्वेंशन, भारत में कोई बाहरी अटैक हो गया है; और इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स या आंतरिक विद्रोह हो गया है. तो आर्टिकल 352 के आधार पर भारतीय प्रेसिडेंट इमरजेंसी को, नेशनल इमरजेंसी को क्या कर सकता है, डिक्लेयर कर सकता है 3 बेसिस पर: युद्ध की संभावना के आधार पर, आंतरिक विद्रोह के आधार पर और एक्सटर्नल इन्वेंशन के आधार पर. और भारत में 3 बार नेशनल इमरजेंसी इम्पोज की गई है: 1962, 1975 और 1971. ड्यूरिंग द 62 चाइना के वॉर के समय, 75 इंदिरा गांधी ने स्टेट ऑफ नेशनल इमरजेंसी डिक्लेयर की थी, एंड 71 में बांग्लादेश जब आज़ाद हुआ उसके अगेंस्ट, उसके फेवर में बाद में नेशनल इमरजेंसी को डिक्लेयर किया गया है. और नेशनल इमरजेंसी डिक्लेयर करने का भी एक प्रोसेस है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारा वही है. They are following, president follow following process for the declaration of national emergency. Firstly, they require the written advice of Council of Ministers. Second, this declaration approved by Parliament within a month. We already read about in Rajya Sabha power and Lok Sabha power. If President want to extend the term of emergency, they require the permission of Parliament. Or this declaration approved by special majority of Parliament. Special majority means the 2/3 majority of members. After the permission of Parliament, the emergency continue for the 6 months. If President want to extend the emergency more than 6 months, he again require the approval of Parliament. And emergency revoked. Revoked का means होता है end. Emergency revoked by simple majority of Lok Sabha and by President. Again we discuss the main steps of declaration of national emergency. Firstly, President require written advice of Council of Ministers, or this declaration approved by Parliament within 1 month and approved by special majority, a majority of 2/3 members. After the approval of Parliament, the emergency continue for 6 months. If President want to extend the term of emergency more than 6 months, he again require the permission of Parliament. An emergency revoked by simple majority of Lok Sabha. Next emergency, declaration of state emergency. This emergency is also known as President Rule and Constitutional Emergency, or this emergency held in our states of India. For the declaration, according to Article 360, President can declare state emergency under the two conditions. The first condition is on the recommendation of governor. अगर उस स्टेट का respective स्टेट का गवर्नर सिफारिश करता है कि स्टेट में emergency impose की जाए, तब प्रेसिडेंट emergency impose करता है. Next, if state government not work according to constitution, अगर state government संविधान के आधार पर वर्क नहीं कर रही है, तब भी प्रेसिडेंट वहाँ पर emergency declare कर सकता है. फिर again this declaration approved by parliament within a 2 month. नेशनल इमरजेंसी 1 मंथ में अप्रूव की जाती है और स्टेट इमरजेंसी 2 मंथ. After the approval of parliament, the emergency continued for 6 months. The maximum term of emergency is 3 years, and after that it can be state emergency approved by simple majority of both the house of parliament. It can extend after approval of parliament. मतलब इसको बढ़ाना है तो ये after 6 months again approval चाहिए parliament. And the maximum term of state emergency is 3 years, and this is revoked by Lok Sabha and President. Thank you, student.